Welcome to our channel. In this video we will see 8 natural supplements for the treatment of obesity. For more information about weight loss, please click the first link in the description. Before we begin, please like this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. The scientific data that exist on natural supplements is controversial, although some have proven to be effective. Discover them in this space. Currently, overweight and obesity are two major issues worldwide, linked to related complications such as cardiovascular disease or diabetes. Maintaining a condition of excess weight is harmful to health in the medium and long term. The good news is that this is a condition that can be corrected through proper nutrition and regular exercise. In this video, we are going to tell you about the best natural supplements for the treatment of obesity. Remember to include them as part of a balanced diet. Treatment of obesity with natural supplements. Before we dive into this topic, let's find out what overweight really is. The abnormal accumulation of fat in the body is considered overweight. When this accumulation is excessive and harmful to health, we speak of obesity. According to data from the World Health Organization (WHO), more than 1,900 million people over the age of 18 were overweight in 2016. Of these people, more than 650 million were obese. But are there natural supplements that can support the treatment of obesity? As a first step, we should establish that natural supplements include vitamins, minerals and herbs which, in general, are taken in the form of capsules. It is also possible to consume them in powder or in the form of drinks. Before telling you about the most widely used natural supplements for weight loss, it is necessary to specify that the fact of calling them natural does not mean that they can be consumed indiscriminately and without medical supervision. Quite the contrary. Before starting to take a supplement, you should definitely consult your doctor. Common ingredients of natural supplements. We will now analyze the main ingredients used in natural supplements to support the treatment of obesity. Read on and take note. 1. Chitosan among natural supplements. This product is a derivative of fish that is commonly used for the treatment of obesity. More specifically, it is the sugar that comes from the outer layers of shrimp, crabs and lobsters. It is apparently used to prevent the absorption of cholesterol and fat by the body. However, there are no conclusive studies about its effectiveness in reducing body fat. 2. Glucomannan. This substance is obtained from the konjac plant and is said to help with weight loss due to its natural fiber intake. However, a study by journal Obesity came to the conclusion that this supplement does not help with weight loss. It is therefore advisable to discuss this with your doctor. 3. Green tea extract. It is a recommended supplement for weight loss, which can be found at almost any drugstore. Different studies have supported its effectiveness, with varying degrees of weight loss. An example is that published in the journal Nutrición Hospitalaria, where the ingestion of this substance is linked to a reduction in fatty tissue. 4. Raspberry ketone. Raspberry is present in many pills because it is believed that it could help burn fat. As with the other substances mentioned, there is no scientific evidence, at least in humans, to support this claim. 5. Bitter orange. Bitter orange is one of the most common ingredients in natural supplements for weight loss. It apparently helps burn more calories, but there are also no studies with conclusive data on its effectiveness. In this regard, several surveys carried out on consumers of bitter orange indicate the possible presence of an increase in anxiety, heart rate and blood pressure, in addition to chest pain. 6. Chromium picolinate among natural supplements. Chromium is a mineral that works by improving the response to insulin so that it turns food into energy. It is generally recommended for its supposed fat-burning effect and because it increases muscle mass, in addition to reducing appetite. It is worth pointing out that different studies have failed when proving these benefits. 7. Conjugated linoleic acid (CLA). Experts believe that linoleic acid may help reduce body fat and lower appetite. The data from studies carried out on this subject are controversial. An example is that published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition, in which there is no strong evidence on this subject. While some admit to losing weight thanks to this substance, others claim that this reduction is virtually non-existent. 8. Caffeine. The last component of natural supplements that we will talk about today will be caffeine. Some studies have been able to prove that caffeine can speed up the metabolism, burning fat up to 29% more. However, other research has referred to minimal weight loss with caffeine to treat obesity. Thank you for watching. For more information, please click the first link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.